In this episode, I'm visiting the Danish island of Funen, which is located between Jutland and Zealand. I'll make a vegetarian dish with potato cream, beets and smoked cheese.
Oh!
Curious about the local delicacies of Funen, I'm heading out to Gundestrup Mejeri, who I'm told also produce beer.
Then we go to the hop garden.
Oh, look at that. It looks like a big harp.
Yeah.
Gundestrup Mejeri is a small dairy which started producing its own beer in 2007.
To the brewery.
Today they grow their own hops, 9 different varieties, which are all local to Funen.
And we produce from light beer, the Pilsner types, to strong dark beers, 14 difference. And then we have this with Whey. So
With Whey?
we use the Whey from our cheese production to put in the beer. We are the only dairy in the world and the only brewery in the world that do that.
Really?
Yeah.
Only in Denmark. What do you think of that? I want to try that beer.
Yeah, we can try.
Yeah?
That's the beer with the Whey. It's not so bad.
Congratulations.
Wow.
You just turned Whey into a $1 million industry.
Yeah.
Fantastic. First ever beer in the entire world made out of the Whey from cheesemaking.
Yeah.
And it's brilliant. Let's go and try the smoked cheese.
Yes.
Shall we?
Nope.
The recipe for the smoked cheese dates back to the Viking era
Found it.
and was originally created to preserve the milk. To this day, the recipe still lives on.
Woo! I wouldn't last a day in here.
Finished product.
Very fresh and soft, isn't it?
Yes.
Now you're talking. It's interesting how the smoke, I mean, it's only smoked for 3 to 5 seconds, but the smoky flavor just gets into the cheese as well. Wonderful.
Egeskov Castle has stood in this beautiful location on the island of Funen for over 450 years. Today, Egeskov is famous for being the best preserved Renaissance moat castle in Europe.
Hans Christian Andersen, you know,
Yes.
was here twice. And one of the time he writes in his diary that Egeskov Castle has as many windows as days in the year, as many rooms as weeks in the year, as many chimneys as months in the year, and as many corners as seasons in the year. He wrote that in his diary.
That's very good, isn't it? Yeah,
I never counted if it was true, but it's a good story.
it is a very good story.
Michael's family have lived in the castle since 1784, and he's now the 9th generation. Although Michael and his family live in the castle, Egeskov is also open to the public and has been for the past 30 years.
It's very important for us that this is not a museum, it is a private home that are open for public. That's why, for instance, it doesn't say who it is, because you wouldn't do that in a private home.
No, of course
Like a
not.
small brochure, we can look it up. It's the main hall.
This is beautiful.
We have concert here, speeches, parties. When I was married to Caroline, we had our wedding in here.
The gardens at Egeskov date back over 280 years and took inspiration from other parks such as Versailles. Its mazes and hundreds of different varieties of roses have won many horticultural awards, but Egeskov has also invested in a state-of-the-art farm boasting 1,143 acres.
It's so easy just to go into the local grocery and buy everything there. It's more fun and more genuine to use what you have yourself. And try to be an inspiration for all the guests coming here from all over the world. Yeah. That's the idea.
Yeah, well, it is inspirational walking here. I mean, just walking in the field of roses that smell absolutely incredible. It's funny when you cook beets how the water gets colored by them. Oh, funny, it's natural, of course. And there's a little trick when you want to peel beets. Of course, you can peel them before you cook them, but I prefer to do it right now. So take the really hot beets, and when you soak them in cold water after they've been cooked, the skin just falls off by itself almost. And as you can see, I haven't cut all of the greens off the beet. And that's because that's edible as well. It actually tastes pretty nice. And it looks really sweet, doesn't it? Now, these beets are just going to be peeled, and I can do that anytime. I'm going to start with what's going to be the base of the dish, which is a potato cream. We've got some really nice fresh potatoes here. And fresh potatoes, they don't have all of the starch in them yet. They're ideal when it comes to making a potato cream. The water goes in, up on the stove, and put the lid on. And now these are going to have to be on the stove for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then they'll be nice and ready and soft to be mashed. That's it, they're all peeled now. So what I'm going to do is just cut these in half, making sure I keep the top there. And look at that beautiful color it's got. Mother Nature, you can't beat her. It's incredible, isn't it? Work of art. Now just take some of that lemon thyme. You don't need a lot of it. And just peel the flowers, run over it with your knife, maybe once or twice. Just sprinkle it on top. And then beautiful golden rapeseed oil. Just going to go over it. And a pinch of salt, and that's it. It's luxury, pure and simple luxury. Let's start with the beets, the red ones. And just grate the beetroots on the fine side. Beetroots, raw beetroots especially, are quite harsh. But if you mix it with some freshly squeezed lemon juice, it will turn very, very nice and very, very fresh. Just mix it up. Raw beetroots are done, cooked beetroots are done. Time to see if the potatoes are done. And it looks all right. Yep, that's nice and soft. Potatoes, water, everything goes in. As a matter of fact, it's a little bit too much water. I'm going to lose half of the water. There we go. Bit of salt, some cream, just a few drops, and a few drops of rapeseed oil. That'll give it a nice, buttery, creamy flavor and texture. That's it. And 2 spring onions. I think I'll just take an extra twig of that beautiful lemon thyme and place it in here. And just allow the heat to penetrate it. Lovely. There we go.
That looks fabulous.
Thank you very much.
Wow.
I hope it tastes as well.
It's lovely.
I'm glad you enjoyed it.
Michael's family have a history of collecting, so before I go, Michael has promised to show me his grandfather's incredible collection.
It's too much, it's too much.
I've driven several races on that one.
From 1916,
Yeah, yeah.
You are the luckiest man
I am actually.
on the face of the earth.
I am actually, yes, I know.
I've always wanted to ride one of these.
That's- yeah.
You can just shoot me now and I'll die happy.
Oh, that's allowed.